very good evening. Here are the top stories at this hour from the Sentinel. 2 one-horned rhinos killed due to floods in Assam. 2 one-horned rhinos were killed due to drowning in the Kaziranga National Park in Assam. According to officials, the dead bodies of the 2 animals were found on Tuesday. With these 2 casualties, the total number of rhinos killed in this year's monsoon has gone up to 3. The carcass of a male rhino that had seemingly died due to natural reasons were found in the western range of the park on June 26th. Almost 90% of the national park's total area has been inundated by flood waters. A total of 66 wild animals have died during this monsoon. Meanwhile, in some good news, a 1-year-old baby rhinoceros that was separated from its mother in the Agartali range of the park was rescued on Wednesday morning by a team of Center for Wildlife Rehabilitation and Conservation along with staff of Kaziranga National Park. Massive surge in COVID-19 cases in Guwahati. Guwahati on Tuesday registered yet another massive spike in the number of COVID-19 cases. As many as 627 more patients tested positive for COVID. With the dramatic surge in the number of cases in Guwahati, the number of COVID-19 infections in Assam is nearing the 20,000 mark. Only 232 cases were detected across the rest of Assam on Tuesday. CBSE Class 10 results declared Guwahati zone at the bottom. CBSE Class 10 board results were declared on Wednesday. The overall pass percentage is 91.46%, an increase of 0.36% from 2019. Trivandrum topped with 99.28%, followed by Chennai at 98.95%. Guwahati came at the bottom of the list with lowest pass percentage of 79.12. Meghalaya stops entry of vehicles from Assam amid surge in COVID cases. Amid the alarming surge in COVID-19 cases in Guwahati and other parts of Assam, the Meghalaya government has decided to close all entry points of the state. Entry points Barnihat, Ratachera, Bajantoba, Tikrikila, Mirjumla and Halideganj will be closed from July 24th to 31st. Only emergency medical services, essential commodities and movement of transit vehicles will be allowed, government said. And here is an update on the number of positive cases across northeastern states. These are numbers as of 8:30 p.m. on Wednesday. The number of positive cases in Assam stands at 18,666. In Tripura, the number has gone up to 2,184. In Manipur, the number stands at 1,672. In Nagaland, the number has gone up to 902. In Arunachal Pradesh, the number stands at 387. In Mizoram, the number has gone up to 238. In Sikkim, the number has gone up to 198. And in Meghalaya, the number continues to stand at 319. And with that, it's a wrap of this edition. Thank you.